Good day, it's Miss Begin again, and today we are going to learn something new in Microsoft Word. This is the third step of things that we are learning in Word. The first thing that we learned was how to open. So if you do not remember how to open Microsoft Word, you need to go back and watch the step 1. The second thing that we learned was how to put in clip art. So if you do not remember how to put in clip art, and that is what your assignment is, then you need to go ahead and go back and watch step 2. This is the third step to add to your knowledge, and we are going to learn how to change the text in whatever we're typing. So first thing we want to minimize with the takeaway, which is the minus sign. X close, square, minus. The minus hides it down to our taskbar. So I'm going to minimize it, and anything else you might have open. Then you're going to open Microsoft Word. There's two ways to have done that. Again, go back and watch step 1 if you do not remember how to do that. And we're just going to type in some text. So this is what I'm typing in today. Does it mean that that's what you have to type? No. So this is an example. If you want to type your name, that's fine. If you want to type something else, that's fine too. It's just practicing learning how to change the text. In order to change the text, you need to select the text that you want to type. You do that by using your mouse, and you click and hold. So I'm dragging and it will select my text. I know that that's done because it turns a different color, so I'll do it again. I put my mouse by the cursor, click and hold all of the text that I want to change. And then you make sure that you are on the correct tab on your ribbon. When you are doing text, it is under Home. So Home is where your text is. You can change the text right here and change the size of the text right here. You click on that arrow and you get all these choices. What you see is what the text is going to look like. So if I want to find something interesting, I like this one. I'm not sure why, but I do. It changes the text. So I can click it again and find a different one. I'll go way down and find something different. How about Joker Man? Whoops, wrong one. Highlight. Find a different one. Passed up Joker Man. Joker Man is right there. If you want to change the size of the text, you have to highlight it again by clicking and selecting it. You're going to choose the number. The bigger the number, the bigger the text. And as you can see, it changes on the back, which is nice. This will also change the size of your text. If you want to do that, this will change it to uppercase. If you want it to all be uppercase, it will change it to lowercase. It will sentence case, which is the correct way, capital. Toggle case means it's kind of weird. So those are some things that you can do. This is the default though. Whoops, where'd it go? Okay, I'm not sure why it went weird. Let's go to lowercase and see if that fixes it. This undoes everything that you did. This will change what the text looks like. Again, I'm going to make it bigger so that we can see it. So I clicked this. What I want you to do basically is just kind of play and see what it does. This changes the color of the text for you. But let's start at the beginning again. So I'm going to erase everything I did. That's my text. This part right here, this family, has to do with the font, which changes the text. All of these little things in here is the family that changes the font. You can change the type of the text. I'm going to make it bigger so we can see it. You can change the type of the text right here to anything you want. You can underline. You can italicize. See how it made it slanty? You can bold. That makes it a little bit fatter. So that's what that does. So starting over, again, erase everything, make it bigger, change your text to whatever you want it to be. You can change the colors of it if you wish. So it's whatever you want to do. I just want you to play with it. So that's how you change the text.